You want to put Pareto chart in Excel. So you want a chart on which you have columns that represent income and you have lines that represent percent income, cumulative percent income. How you can do it in Excel? From Excel 2016, you can just simply insert histogram Pareto chart. So Pareto chart is type of histogram chart. You can just simply choose this chart type and you have Pareto chart ready. But these charts from Excel 2016 have some drawbacks. For example, the line isn't actually a series in chart, so we cannot add data labels to it. So I don't like this data chart type. I prefer the earlier version, but this version requires more calculation, but I have more freedom with changing values. So we have to add this calculation. So we have by ourselves calculate percent income, cumulative percent income for us. And now we can insert simple column chart. And because income is much bigger than percentages, so we cannot see income columns at all, but we have to select them. How we can do it? We can select our chart and go, for example, to Format tab. And here on the left, we can see all elements, list with elements of the chart. And we are interested in series income. And now this series is selected. And now I can press Ctrl 1 to go to Format Data Series options and plot series on secondary axis. And now I have percent income on different axis, secondary axis, and simple income on different axis. So we have to change our percent income chart type because it is in front of incomes. And just simple one click it to select it and then go to Insert tab, and I like line chart with markers here. And because we are creating this Pareto chart ourselves, the data, the values aren't sorted. So we have to do it manually. Just select one cell in B column, then Data tab, and just from Z to A. And we have our value sorted, and now it's more like Pareto chart. So we have to add some modification to make it really Pareto chart. First of all, let's select column, press Ctrl 1, and here we have gap width, make it 0%. Okay, this one is one change. Then let's make some changes in axis. So our axis is secondary axis is to 120%, but 100% is our maximum. So select this axis, Ctrl 1, and then we should go to axis options, write maximum as 1, so 100%. And now we change our major units to 1/10. So let's make 2/10, 1/5. So there will be less percentages here on this axis, and I don't need this 0, so I should go to number and change format cell. Link, now it's linked to source data. I don't need this, I just need percent without any decimal places. Just change format code here and press add. Now it's much cleaner. And also for income, Ctrl 1, this major units of 100,000, it's too much for me. Let's make it it's too small for me. Let's make 200,000, and just like that, the values, there is less numbers on our chart. And the thing I care the most is data labels for lines. So one click on the line, plus sign, and here we can add data labels, and I just want above our markers. And now it's the Pareto chart I like. Let's write its Pareto once again. And the most important change, I make the most important changes for me for this chart.